Yeah, good morning students. How to find the integral of different type of functions. So we have various type of functions. Today we will discuss 6 various type of functions. How to find the integral of the given function. For example, first one is integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to, okay, this type of function. How to find the integral of 1 upon x square minus a square. So students, here see 1 upon x square minus a square, just write x minus a minus x plus a and x minus a by x square minus a square dx. So students, once you observe the numerator, x and x get cancelled. We have a minus of minus a. Totally numerator is 2a. Total the numerator value is 2a. So multiply and divided by 2a. So assume that it is divided by 2a. Now it is very clear. It is balanced. Now see, x and x get cancelled. A and minus a. Students, any in our mathematics, any function, we can multiply with a constant. You can multiply and divide it with the same constant, but we cannot multiply with variable. Don't multiply and divide it with x. So you can multiply with a, because a is a real number, multiplied and divided with 2a, and numerator 2a just I split into x plus a minus of x minus a. Now see, once you simplify it, it is very clearly balanced. Now after that, 1 by 2a integral of x plus a by this x square minus a square factors. The denominator split dx minus integral of x minus a by x square minus a square into dx. Okay students, clear? Just denominator split, the denominator split for numerators, and 1 by 2a integral of, see, x plus a upon x square minus a square. The factors of x square minus a square, x plus a into x minus a, that x plus a and downside x plus a both will cancel. You have 1 upon x minus a and dx minus, now see, same, x minus a upon x square minus a square, cancel the common factor. Yeah, cancel the common factor. X minus a cancel, x plus a dx. Students, now just recall the integration of 1 by x. The integral of 1 by x. Integral of 1 by x is log x. Logarithm of modulus x minus a minus integral of 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x, logarithm of modulus x and plus c. So students, you know log a minus log b equal to log a by b. So 1 by 2a logarithm of, now a minus b, log a minus log b, log a by b, log a by log b plus c. So student, this is the integral of 1 upon x square minus a square dx is equal to this one. For example students, example 1, how to use this integration. For example, integral of 1 by x square minus 25 into dx. Integration of 1 upon x square minus 25 equal to, just to compare it, what is a here? A square is 25, hence a is 5. So it is equal to 1 by 2 into a. What is a value? 5. And logarithm of x minus 5 by x plus 5 plus c. So students, this is one of the function, and how to find its integration with the help of making numerator into two different factors with the help of factorization. Here I found the integral of 1 upon x square minus a square. Okay, here I did one example where a is equal to 5 and question, and this is the solution with the help of this question. And second one, see, integral of 1 upon a square minus x square dx. A square minus x square dx. So students, same, you can take minus common, and minus of log, the coefficient will become exponent, and exponent take its reciprocal. You can do the same thing. And how to find the integral of this type of question? Same, just write a plus x and a minus x by a square minus x square and dx. So students, now see, numerator x and x cancel, still we have 2a. So numerator is 2a. 2a times becomes 2a times. So divided with 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a. Now it is very clearly balanced. You see, x and x cancel, a and a, 2a, multiply and divided with 2a. And you can proceed with the same what we did here. 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a, integral of a plus x upon a square minus x square dx, minus integral of a minus x by a square minus x square dx. Okay students, now make them factors. Find the factors of a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. 1 by 2a, integral of a plus x, and the factor of a square minus x square will cancel. We have a plus x. A plus x and a plus x cancel, a minus x dx. Integral of a minus x factor cancel. We have 1 upon a plus x dx. And now students here 1 by 2a, just recall integration of 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x, log x, a minus x. And here the coefficient of x, chain rule, hence it will become minus 1 and minus logarithm of a plus x plus c. Students here same, log a, here it is plus, plus and it will become minus, or take one more step, 1 by 2a minus logarithm of a minus x plus logarithm of a plus x plus c. Now you know log a plus log b is log ab, log a minus log b is log a by b. So it will become 1 by 2a logarithm of positive first, a plus x first, a plus x by a minus x plus c. So this is the integral of this side. One integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx. For example, here one example, I am giving one example, 3 minus x square dx. Integration of 1 upon 3 minus x square dx. Here a square is 3, hence a is root 3. So it will become, it is equal to 1 by 2a. What is a here? Root 3. Just to compare and put the values a and x here. And root 3 plus x by root 3 minus x plus c. So students, here we have two type of various functions, how to find integral of these two questions, and I solved with one example. So students, these two clear, understood, these two examples are clear. Students say yes, and anyone, 1 or 2, 1 and 2. Example is clear. Example is clear. Yes students, anyone? Example 1 and example 2. Where is example 2? Here example 2. Example 2. Right, okay, 1 and 2. Next we have other 3 and 4. Next 3 and 4. Yes students, next to 3 and 4, integration of 1 upon root over a square minus x square dx. Okay, integration of 1 upon root over a square minus x square, and fourth one integration of 1 upon a square plus x square into dx. Okay, these two. So students, listen, we have 6 various type of functions like this. They are looks like same, but they are varied by some different approaches. So students, please focus on the given examples. So these 6 examples looks same. Next one here, students, here put x equal to some a sin theta. Put x equal to a sin theta. Hence dx is equal to a into sin theta derivative cos t and t derivative dt. Now put x equal to a sin theta here, 1 upon root over a square minus a square sin square theta by, and dx is equal to a into cos t into dt. Yes students, root over integration of root over a square and into 1 minus sin square theta is equal to a cos theta into a cos theta dt. Yes students, root over a square take a square common, root over a square will become a, and root over 1 minus sine square t is cos t. Now students, a and a cancel, cos t and cos t cancel. Integral of 1 dt. Integral of 1 is theta. Theta plus c. What is theta here? If x equal to a sin theta, hence theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. So here it is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. So integration of root over a square minus x square. A square minus x square dx is sin inverse x by a plus c. Next, fourth one here. Fourth one. So this type of identity, with the help of trigonometric identities, if you replace x equal to sin theta, cos theta, no use. Replace x equal to some 1 plus tan square theta. So I put x equal to a tan theta. A tan theta. Hence dx is equal to a into tan theta derivative secant square theta into dt. Now students, our question will become 1 upon a square plus a square tan square theta into dx is equal to a into secant square theta into dt. Now students, integration of 1 by, take a square common. Inside we have 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. A square secant square theta into a into secant square theta into dt. So students, 1a cancel. 1a is there. 1 by a. And secant square theta cancel. Integral of 1 dt. Okay, 1 by a. And integral of 1 is theta. 1 by a plus theta. Integration of 1 is theta plus c. 1 by a. And what is theta? Tan x equal to a tan theta, and theta is tan inverse x by a. Tan inverse x by a plus c. So integration of 1 by a square plus x square dx is this one. So students, two examples. One example, integration of 1 upon 4 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse of x only. And what is a value here? A is 2. A square is 4, hence a is equal to sin inverse x by 2 plus c. This is one example. And here 1 upon 5 plus x square dx, it is equal to 1 by a. What is a here? 5 or root 5? Please look here, a square is 5, then a is root 5. So 1 by root 5 tan inverse x by root 5 plus c. Yeah students, this is example 3 and 4. This type of functions, how to find the integral of 3 and 4. One example, and one example. Students, clear? Understood any doubt? 3 and 4 clear? Varun Reddy, Suryavamshi, Rohan, Vishnu, clear? 3 and 4 with one example. Example 1 and example 1. Our exercise 7.5. Total the problems looks like this model. So this example. Next, right? And last two. Yes, students, next fifth one, integration of 1 upon root over x square minus a square dx. And sixth one, integration of 1 upon root over x square plus a square dx. So students, these two last. Yeah, students, these two are the last. Today we'll close with these two. Total 6 functions. You learned 6 functions. How to find the integral of these 6 type of functions. Hence, I will share the Google form link. You have objective assessment through Google form. 10 questions based on exercise 7.1, 7.2. Simple integrations. You have already done many examples in exercise 7.1, 2 and 3. So students, last 5 minutes. Please look here, these two. x square minus a square, x square plus a square. So here x square minus a square, if you put x equal to sin theta, cos theta, no use. And according to real number definition, if you put x equal to sin theta, no use, cos theta, no use. And now see, once you check x equal to secant square theta, see secant square theta minus 1, it gives tan square theta, yes. So put x equal to secant theta, put x equal to secant theta, because secant square theta minus 1 gives a one trigonometric ratio, that is tan square theta. So put x equal to, x is equal to a secant theta, a secant theta, right. Next one, here dx, dx is equal to a into secant theta derivative, secant theta into tan theta into dt, right. Next one, after assuming x equal to 1 upon root over x a square minus secant square theta minus a square into dx is a secant theta into tan theta into dt, right. Now students, now root over a square, a 1 by a, and root over secant square theta minus 1 is tan theta, and a secant theta and tan theta and dt. So a cancel, tan theta cancel, still integration of secant theta d theta. Just recall integration of secant theta, logarithm of secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Yeah, students, now logarithm of secant theta. What is secant theta? See here, x by a is secant theta, x by a is secant theta, plus what is tan theta? From the same diagram, same right angle triangle theta, secant theta is x by a, from third side, from unknown side, from Pythagoras theorem, root over x square minus a square. Now from this diagram, tan theta is equal to root over x square minus a square by a. Students, we will get one more constant here, let it is c1. Assume that this is c1 plus c1. Yes students, some basic identity, logarithm of x plus, add this to root over x square minus a square by a plus c1. Now log a by b is log a minus log b, logarithm of x plus x square minus a square plus log a by b is minus log a minus log b, what is b here? A plus c1. Your students, this is constant, these two together, you can replace with 1c enough, and it is equal to logarithm of x plus root over x square minus a square. Okay, this is the integration of 1 upon root over x square minus a square dx, x square minus dx. Yeah students, one example here question. One question is integration of 1 upon root over x square minus 5 dx. Okay, one example, this is equal to logarithm of, this answer is equal to logarithm of, say, logarithm of x plus root over x square minus 5 plus c. Okay, one example done, So students, last one, x square plus a square. So same, put x equal to sin theta, no use, put x equal to cos theta, no use. Now I am asking what the value I should replace instead of x here to proceed further. Please kindly reply in chat box. What is the ratio? If you can proceed, then you will get simplify. You can simplify. Please reply. Sin theta no use, cos theta no use, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant, secant, cot. Which is useful here? Please kindly reply. Rohan. X equal to yes. What to assume here to proceed easily? X equal to sin theta, is there any use? No, you will be struck in somewhere. Please say yes. Students, can you hear me? Varun. Yeah, Suryavamshi, yes, Nana. Suryavamshi, please tell me what to do, what to assume here. Secant theta, is it work? Tan theta, it won't work. Then what to assume here? Secant theta or tan theta? Yes, kindly reply anyone. Rohan, x equal to what here? X equal to sine theta. Is there any use by taking x equal to sine theta? No use. Bhavesh, Vineet, please reply, try it. What to assume here? See, x equal to sine theta, x equal to a sine theta, no use because we don't have any formula to get 1 plus sine square theta. Okay, two options, secant theta, tan theta. Which one is useful? X equal to a secant theta, a tan theta. Tan x is very good. Rohan, secant theta no use, secant theta because secant square theta minus 1, secant square theta minus 1, secant square theta minus 1. But here secant theta plus 1, it won't give any formula. See, secant square theta plus 1. Okay, we don't have any formula. This case, okay, it doesn't have any formula. Then tan theta, if you take tan theta, then it will work and you can simplify. So x is equal to a tan theta. Now dx is equal to a into tan theta derivative secant square theta into dt. Next one. After assuming x equal to a tan theta, root over a square tan square theta plus a square into d theta, dx you can write a secant square theta into dt. Okay, this is waste, rough column, rough. Okay, now students here see integration of root over a square. Take root over a square is a. And root over 1 plus tan square theta is secant t. A secant t into a secant square t dt. So students, a cancel. 1 secant and 1 secant cancel. Integration of secant t and dt. Same result. Secant t dt. And integration of secant t is secant t logarithm of secant is. Integration of secant logarithm of secant t plus tan t plus c. Now logarithm of what is secant here? What is secant? See students here from this relation tan theta is equal to x by a. Tan theta is equal to x by a. Now draw the diagram tan theta x by a and third side x square plus a square. Now secant theta. What is secant theta? Root over x square plus a square by a. And tan theta, what is tan theta? X by a plus c. So students, here also assume constant is c1 because you will get one more constant c2. So students, log a by b. Now it is equal to logarithm of x plus x square plus a square by a plus c1. Now just log a here, what we did.